Hey everybody, I'm Adrian Bustamante from YouTube's Food Deconstructed, and today I'm going to show you a good basting for a roast pig. Roast pig is an amazing meal. I highly recommend it if you haven't tried it, but this is all about the basting, and it's a quick and easy one. So we're going to start off with half a cup of apple juice right here, and then we're going to take a quarter cup of red apple cider vinegar. So we're going to go here, place it in, boom, and then we're going to take a quarter cup of vegetable oil. That'll do. Place it in there. Now what we would do is then we take a spray bottle, take the top off, and then just pour it inside. Nice and easy. Once it's in the spray bottle, we give it a little shake. And what I would do is the roast pig is roasting, I would spray it a little bit. I'll give you a little example. And that'll give a nice even base to it. You hit a little bit of citrus, you hit a little bit of that acidity from the vinegar. It's just a great flavor enhancer for the pig that's already going to be cooking in its own juices. So again, I'm Adrian Bustamante, and this has been a good basting for a roast pig.